Welcome back for another Unbox and Swatch video. Today we'll be looking at the Winsor Newton Cotman Watercolors Skyscape set of 8. Now it's a 9-piece set. I'm not sure if that 9th piece is referring to the little brush it comes with or the case itself, but either way it will hold a total of 12 colors it looks like. So if you wanted to add to this set whatever would complement your particular palette, you could do that. So taking a look at the box, there's a QR code on the side. This will take you to windsornewton.com. And then on the back we have a listing of our colors that are in the set that are included. Now there are a lot of hue colors instead of the original pigments, and that's mostly because this is a student grade set. The Cotman is the sort of more economy grade set that and colors that Winsor Newton makes for watercolor. So nothing wrong with that. These colors are non-toxic and there's no heavy metals in them or anything. So we'll see how they look on paper. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so we've got a nice little compact set here. It's got a hard plastic. And then inside we have a sticker. And I guess maybe you can put that here. I was not expecting the sticker. I'm thrown. Never seen that before. We have a sticker. We have this little brush, and it's cute that they put these in here, but in all honesty, some people might be comfortable using these, especially children under the age of 5. But for most adults, it might be a little bit tricky. It's cute that it fits in and all that stuff, but it's not necessarily always practical. In a pinch, it'll work, of course. But anyway, that is included with it. Next, what I'm going to do is unwrap these and get them ready for swatching, figure out what to do with the sticker, and then we'll get started with the swatches. Okay, so there are the colors laid down. It's not a very large set to begin with, so there's not that much diversity in the colors. You have a fairly decent mixing yellow, blue, and red in the ultramarine, rose madder, and lemon yellow hue. The indigo and the Payne's gray look very similar. This particular indigo is not as blue as I might have liked. I did notice on the box that it has the exact same pigment numbers as the Payne's gray, which might be a common way of mixing both of these colors. I guess the proportions are just supposed to be a little different in each, but you can see PBK7, PB29, PB15, and it is the same for the Payne's gray. So this set can be, as I said, expanded. It has room to add additional colors to it. 4 additional colors if you do like the colors that it comes with, and it's what I would expect for in terms of how the paint's performed for a student grade paint. They don't re-wet quite as nicely as some of the higher end paints, but they do re-wet and they do put down nice color. So this is the Cotman set of 8 watercolors Skyscape pocket set. If this video was helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell to be notified when we post new videos, and we will let you know when we have a future unbox and swatch just for you.